Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Recreating this look at Juvia's place. It's called the Zulu palette, and try and get myself to look, like as close to this as possible. So if you want to see how I create and get to this look, just keep watching. Eyebrows, I do my eyebrows first anyway when I do my makeup, so I'm gonna dig into that one. This look is so dark, I can just dig in with a brow pencil, and that's just the color black. LA Girl Pro Concealer, so I'm just gonna use that. Just use a little flat brush like this, and I conceal my brows. Just dip it in there. I just go under. Okay, now that's done. Just have this Smashbox liquid primer, and we're just gonna use that to prime the lids. Light eyeshadow color, I use the 24G Grand Glam Morphe palette. So I'm just gonna use this little light shade right here. Don't remember her name. Who is she? Pretty much that's how I'm feeling. That's the mood. Who is she? Here is what we're gonna be using today for the base. Ooh, that is the base down. The palette that I'm gonna be using for that green is pretty much the Take Me Back to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette. I love this palette. It's my festival go-to palette because of all the beautiful colors when I want to do something crazy and fun. This little light green up here, and then like this green too, and then I'm gonna put a dark green on top with some brown, and hopefully, you know, that works out. She work out. So now I'm digging into the second green color. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful green at the top, and it's right here. Just digging it in there. So just have that green. I look like a Ninja Turtle. No. My face is covered in eyeshadow. You know, just digging in there and just like putting it all over my face. You know, I'm trash. Just kidding, I am not trash. I am garbage. And then we're gonna get the brush that I was using originally and just blend it kind of in pretty much. Her eyeliner is amazing. So hopefully, you know, this eyeliner goes as planned and where it's planned to go. Doing it. So I'm just gonna go over it with the fly liner. Get the white eyeliner and then do the little white detailing that is inside of my eye. The mascara, because really it doesn't look like she has like any lashes on, so we're just gonna go ahead and just I used the Milk Makeup Kush mascara, and now I'm just gonna top it over. So this is what my eye is looking like so far, and I think that's pretty good. It's pretty good right now. So I'm just gonna dig into my foundation now. I'm just gonna dip into that. So then what I like to do is use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer under my eyes to just, you know, conceal all my flaws, my lies, my infidelities. fake things. You know, fresh new bitch. I got my beauty blender. Now we're just gonna pat, 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 pat. And then pat this side. Oh my gosh, I had a hiccup. And just pat, 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 pat. The Fenty Beauty concealer matchstick. Drawn. Cheeks I never had growing up. I'm gonna use some concealer again to just, you know. The next step is to use my Sephora Micro Smooth Baked Powder. I think that's what it's called. Who knows? I'm just gonna use a flat brush just to dab it under here, you know, to give you that extra little definition. I usually do this when I don't have any more Laura Mercier setting powder because I feel like it gives kind of like that same smooth, like setting powder feel. Just kind of like helps set in that concealer, you know. Little cheek contour moment. And we do it again, and just want to make sure we tap it off a lot and then just brush a little bit more because you don't want your nose to be like too dark, and then you just do a light swipe and a light swipe because I don't like it to be too dark. And there we are. And then last but not least, I like to dig into a nice like pressed powder foundation with like a little brush like this and just swirl it up on my cheekbones, you know, to give me that nice orangey. And then I'll just like, you know, touch it up again with like the Micro Smooth because Micro Smooth just blends everything in nicely. So my face is pretty much, the base is pretty much done. And I'm gonna set my face with some Mario Badescu. And I literally drench my face in this stuff because what sets all the makeup in, makes all the colors that are supposed to pop, pop, pop. And you know, just whatever. And what I like to do even is to use my beauty blender to just go over it on the concealed parts, you know, just so it doesn't look too shimmery because I hate when my makeup looks really like, I don't like dewy makeup. I feel like my face looks greasy when I have dewy makeup. And I do that. And then last but not least, I use my beauty blender again and just get some actual setting powder in there. Too Faced Peach setting powder, translucent setting powder. I love it. Every time I'm like doing my makeup and talking or like my mouth's open, you know, it gets in my mouth and it tastes delicious and I love it. Like, you know when you're doing makeup with other products and you accidentally get some in your mouth and it tastes like, yeah, that's not it. Her highlight looks so gorgeous and illuminating. Like, look at those, like her cheekbones are like no sounds, but yeah, that's what I want to do. So I'm gonna do it with no other than the Babe in Paradise palette by Morphe X Bretman with his little fan brush. I always dig into like this shade at the end because I like a darker highlight for me because it just helps my skin not to look white and like a crazy white flashback. But because hers is so white, we're gonna go right here with this one that I've never thought I would ever use, and for what reason. And you're just gonna dig in there. Don't be afraid to dig in there. And I'm just gonna go. Wow. The same like kind of like angle that she had hers too. Wow, that is blinding. Again, she has some on her nose. With the lips, I don't have any like lip kind of like products that look like that. So taking me back to Brazil palette, there are some like shimmery colors that look like that. So I'm gonna dig in with my finger. It's like a darker green on the ends. And then just a lighter one in the middle. It's the white little dots everywhere and like little designs. I am not sure how it's gonna turn out, but hopefully it turns out like these ones that are on her face. Okay, so she has one here. One there. Add some trinkets so it can look, my look can finalize look like this. Okay guys, I am back. This is the finished look. The earrings, the contacts, and the headband. I am not too like disappointed in my efforts at this look, to be honest. I just think that it could look better, but it's fairly close, fairly similar, I would like to say. If you liked this video and want to see more like it, like, comment below, let me know what you're thinking of me to do next. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on my next video.